This is how you can change the age limit on the iPad. Let me show you exactly where you can find it. And if it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so you get inside of your settings app and very likely it's going to be part of the screen time section. And in here, I want you to find restrictions and content and privacy restrictions indicated by the red icon. You can get inside and expand this. And in here, you can find so many different things and ways that the iPad might be restricted. And in many cases in here, if I, for example, expand the iTunes and App Store purchases, you can manage those particular things, right? Or if you click on the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, you get to manage the limits and age limits on things like the apps generally, right? So you have the age rating and you can pick between those, right? Or you can also change it for the movies, TV shows, and so on, right? So you can kind of like manage the iPad in this way. And if you have any limits in place, you can basically change it to something else. The important part is also the web content, which can also be limited or only approved websites. So that's something which you can manage like this on, the app by app or instance by instance basis, or you also have the ability to disable the content and privacy restrictions altogether, meaning that nothing is going to be restricted anymore and you can just use your iPad normally without anything in place. So that would be the way to make that work. Obviously the iPad might be set up completely as with the children's Apple ID, right? So it depends on the situation, but this is likely the thing which you had in mind. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.